Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about water. First of all, we're going to say the different characteristics. It is a liquid. It has no color. It has no taste. It has no smell. Okay, now let's repeat all the characteristics. Remember, you have to repeat with me, okay? Number 1, it is a liquid. Number 2, it has no color. Number 3, it has no taste. And number 4, it has no smell. Okay, so now let's talk about other aspects of water. Can you remember in how many states we can find water? Right, these are the states in which we can find water: solid, liquid, and gas. Now let's talk about places where we can find solid water. Well, we can find solid water in ice, icebergs, or hail. Liquid water. So we can find liquid water in lakes, rivers, tap water, ponds, sea, and the oceans. And finally, places where we can find vapor water. Well, we can find vapor water in clouds and fog. Okay, children, I hope this video may help you. See you in class. Bye bye.